A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions. By thoughts, I mean specifically chatter in the skull, perpetual and compulsive repetition of words, of reckoning and calculating. I'm not saying that thinking is bad. Like everything else, is useful in moderation. A good servant, but a bad master. And all so-called civilized peoples have increasingly become crazy and self-destructive because through excessive thinking they have lost touch with reality. That's to say, we confuse science with the real world.
This is the beginning of meditation.
Most of us would have rather money than tangible wealth, and a great occasion is somehow spoiled for us unless photographed. And to read about it the next day in the newspaper is oddly more fun for us than the original event. This is a disaster, for as a result of confusing the real world of nature with mere signs, we are destroying nature. We are so tied up in our minds that we've lost our senses. Time to wake up. What is reality? Obviously, no one can say because it isn't words. It isn't material, that's just an idea. Reality is
the point cannot be explained in words. I'm not trying to put you down. It's an expression of you as you are. One must live. We need to survive, to go on. We must go on.
My blood, still for your love. It wasn't good enough, no. So it wasn't good enough. My blood, still for your love. blade, but you wanted more. I gave you my soul, but you shut the door. I wanted you back, but you didn't care. I have everything now, so stop calling here.
My idle hands lead to evil thoughts. That's what I was told. I see a devil trying to creep on up and go and get inside my soul. So let the demons go and hype me up, 'cause Cause motherfucker, I ain't dead till I say so. Cause I've been fighting all my fucking life, so I'ma sin to the motherfucking end. Oh no, oh no, no, don't you understand that I've been going around this world? Oh, don't you understand that I've lost time and I can't lose more? No, all I got is money on my mind, so just miss me with these motherfucking 50 million problems. Every single day I wake up and I try to solve them, dreaming of a future with some motherfucking options.
Bloody good. That's right.
What's it mean?
Bloody good.
Bloody good.
Yes.
My idle hands lead to evil thoughts, that's what I was told. I see a devil trying to creep on up and go and get inside my soul. So let the demons go and hype me up, cause motherfucker, I ain't dead till I say so. Cause I've been fighting all my fucking life, so I'ma sin to the motherfucking end. Oh no, oh no, no, don't you understand that I've been going around this world? Oh, don't you understand that I've lost time and I can't lose more? No, all I got is money on my mind, so just miss me with these motherfucking 50 million problems. Every single day I wake up and I try to solve them, dreaming of a future with some motherfucking options. Damn, I got them options. 50 million, 100 million, living like a ball shit. Catch me in the crowd, smoking loud up in the mosh pit, screaming obnoxious till I'm fucking nauseous. I'll be going crazy till I'm motherfucking dead. I got angels on my shoulders with the devil in my head. I don't know where I'm going, but I know where I've been. You can find me in the future when the money never ends. Oh no, no, don't you understand that I've been going around this world? Oh, don't you understand that I've lost time and I can't lose more? No, all I got is money on my mind, so just miss me with these motherfucking 50 million problems. Every single day I wake up and I try to solve them, dreaming of a future with some motherfucking options. Don't play with my money, don't play with my mind, don't play with my fucking emotion. I'm waiting on trial, and it's been a while, and I ain't got time for emotion. While you walking aisles, I'm running miles, and I ain't got time to be coasting. So look at my file, I'm counting piles of money from dreams and devotion. But I know who you fucking with, it's me, myself, and I've been moving all up by myself and getting to the top. You can't stop us, already on this way, so step out to the side. I've been grinding since a little kid, so I would never lie. I'm I'm a motherfucking monster now that you just can't control. I'll just say the fuck I wanna and just do the fuck you don't. You don't understand the message, kid, then back the fuck up off. I'm a motherfucking gangster in this business, so I won't go and bow down to the people that just wanna see me fall. So go fuck yourself and all that shit, cause I can't do no wrong. I'm a demon, I'm an angel, I'm a god, so what the fuck? You don't know what I've been going through, so miss me when you front, like I'm waiting on trial, and it's been a while, and I ain't got time for emotion. While you walking aisles, I'm running miles, and I ain't got time to be coasting. So look at my file, I'm counting piles of money from dreams and devotion. Sleeping on the ground, I thought our lives would never change, but we try to get through motherfucking pain. Sign my life away for nothing, thought that I had just fell off. Stuck inside a prison for my mama, I will not give up, but I'm still in my zone, still on the phone, I ain't got nothing to prove to. You and your friends, you can pretend that I don't exist or amuse you. Say what you want, I'm hitting blunts with people you think that don't matter. Normal as fuck, front if you want, you just don't know what I'm after. Doing sort of shows all up and down the fucking globe. We took nothing, made it something, then got robbed of all our hope. I've been ducking, I've been diving, now I know I'm still afloat. So just count me out again, you bitches motherfucking know. Don't play with my money, don't play with my mind, don't play with my fucking emotion. I'm waiting on trial, and it's been a while, and I ain't got time for emotion. While you walking aisles, I'm running miles, and I ain't got time to be coasting. So look at my file, I'm counting piles of money from dreams and devotion.